Hey boys and girls, so I'm looking at page 78 of Intermath here. It's the first assessment page, okay? Now, if you remember from last year or from when we did it on the Star Book, you need to, at the end, you need to colour in one of the smiley faces or the sad faces, okay? So if you find it easy, you colour in that I can do this. If you find it difficult, I cannot do this yet. And if it was kind of okay, but you're not sure if you got it right, you can colour in the middle face, okay? Now, usually in the class, we would do this with no help, okay? But because people are working at home, I know some people are getting help at home, some people aren't. I would like you to try your best, okay? Listen to my instructions and try and do it yourself. But if you need help, take advantage of having help at home, okay? And it's okay to get help. And don't forget that you'll be going back over everything that you need to go back over. You'll be going back over in September, okay? In year 5, you'll spend the first few weeks kind of recapping what was done in year 4. All the teachers will be doing that. Because obviously there are some things that we couldn't do as well at home. So there'll be a lot of revision in September, so don't get worried. Anyway, in this table at the top of the page, you can see that it tells you the steps per week. Now I have a Fitbit, okay, and it tells me how many steps I take every day. So this is that type of idea. So you can see that on Sunday it gives an actual amount of steps in week 1 on Sunday and in week 2 on Sunday. Okay, but then in the other days you have to work out the amount of steps by using some clues. Okay, so underneath the table you can see that 30 minutes walking is equal to 2,500 steps. A long bar is the same as 1,000 steps. A shorter bar is 500 steps, and then the small rectangle is 100 steps. Okay, so we use this information and the clues given to work out how many steps were walked each day, were taken each day, okay? And you write your answers in the table below. So for example, I just look at Monday. It says Monday in week 1, a walk of 1.5 hours. Now we know 1.5 is 1.5 hours. So using the data at the bottom of the table where it says 30 minutes is equal to 2,500 steps, you should be able to work out how many steps were taken that day. Okay? Monday in week 2 then, you need to use the bars and the rectangles to figure out how many steps were taken. I think you'll be well able to do that, okay? So you just take your time, and that's today's work.